Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a theme selling website using an easy method. First, you'll want to define your niche, whether it's for WordPress, Shopify, or another platform. Next, select a robust e-commerce solution that supports digital product sales. Then, focus on creating visually appealing and functional themes. Finally, integrate secure payment options to ensure smooth transactions for your customers. This approach simplifies the entire process, making it accessible for everyone. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is a crucial step for your theme selling website. Options like Shopify offer comprehensive features, while Gumroad is great for simplicity. Easy digital downloads is a popular choice for WordPress users, providing excellent control. Consider factors such as transaction fees, customer support, and the overall user experience. A good platform will streamline your operations and help you manage your digital products efficiently, saving you valuable time. When designing your themes, prioritize clean code and responsive layouts to ensure they work well on all devices. High-quality screenshots and detailed product descriptions are essential to showcase your work effectively. Provide comprehensive documentation to help users install and customize your themes easily. Pricing your themes appropriately, perhaps between $25 and $100, will attract buyers while reflecting their value. Remember, excellent design and clear communication build trust with your customers. To boost sales, actively market your theme selling website. Share your designs on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Optimize your product listings with relevant keywords to improve search engine rankings. Consider running introductory promotions, perhaps offering a 20% discount for new buyers or creating theme bundles. Gathering customer feedback is invaluable for refining your themes and services, ensuring long-term success and a loyal customer base.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.